Question 5 of 5. We have 5 raised to the power x plus 3 over 25 raised to the power 2x minus 3 is equals to 1. Now in this case, we'll cross multiply. When we cross multiply, we're going to have 5 raised to the power x plus 3 is equals to 25 raised to the power 2x minus 3. In this case, we have 5 here, we have 25. We have to make them have the same base. 25 is equals to 5 raised to the power 2. That means here becomes 5 raised to the power x plus 3 equals 25 here is 5 raised to the power 2, open bracket, 2x minus 3. We put these two in bracket because this power here is going to affect whatever we have here. So if we don't put this in bracket and probably we write 4x, we are wrong. So now since the bases are equal, we are going to equate the power. So when we equate the power, we have x plus 3 is equals to 2 open bracket 2x minus 3. We have x plus 3. By the time we move the bracket, 2 times 2x is going to give us 4x. 2 times minus 3 is going to give us minus 6. Then we collect like terms. Collect like terms. When we collect like terms, we have x minus 4x is equals to minus 6 minus 3. X minus 4x is going to give us minus 3x equals minus 9. Now we need x, so we divide both sides by minus 3. So we have minus 3x over minus 3 equals minus 9 over minus 3. Here x minus 3 cancel minus 3. Here minus cancel out minus 9 divided by 3 is going to give us 3. So x is equals to 3. Surely,